Okay, so let's tackle this second problem. A long distance runner does a first lap around a track in exactly 50 seconds. So here's a picture. So she can run around the entire track in 50 seconds. Okay? As she tires, each subsequent lap takes 20% longer than the previous one. How long does she take to run 3 laps? Well, let's set this up. So here we have 3 columns here. We have lap number 1, 2, 3. She runs a total of 3 laps. And lap number time that corresponds to the lap number. So for the first lap, she does that in 50 seconds. And this last column is for total time. Okay? So first lap, 50 seconds, total time. Second lap, we need a number here for the time it took to run the second lap plus 50 seconds plus the second time. So how do we find that out? There's a useful formula that says we take an unknown number times 120% because 20% longer. So the original time plus 20%. So 1.20 or 1.2 times x gives you the previous time plus 20%. Okay, that's what we're looking for. So to find the lap number time for lap number 2, we're going to take 50 times 1.2. Okay, so 50 times 1.2, plug that in your calculator, gives you 60. So for the second lap, she does that in 60 seconds. Okay, which is 20% longer than the time it took to run the first lap. So we have total time 50 seconds plus 60 seconds. That'll give you 110 seconds. Okay, so let's look at lap number 3. For lap number 3, we need to find out how long it took to run that lap. So we're going to say, okay, the previous lap time, 60 seconds. So this value will go here, and we'll multiply that by 1.20, and that'll give us 72. So the third lap took 72 seconds to run. Third lap, 72 seconds. To find our running total, we take, remember, just backing up here, 50 plus 60 gives you 110. 110 plus 72 gives you 182 seconds. Okay? So this is our final answer because we're looking for how long, in other words, the total time, how long does she take to run all 3 laps? So first lap, 50 seconds, plus second lap, 60 seconds, that's your 110, plus third lap, 72 seconds, and this gives you a total of 182, which on the answer sheet, you have a choice between 150 seconds and 180 seconds. This one is closer to 180, so let's choose that option.